So a few days ago, on January 17th, what is probably the worst blizzard in decades. And so while everyone was freezing their butts off, I was doing this all morning.
Is it too deep here?
Hey.
Oh, hello. Welcome to our World War I trench. Yes, he likes eating it. Milo! Okay, leave this off. I want you too cold. It's not really that cold, honestly. I thought it would be a lot colder. I want to drop this, but I think it's going to be too wet and I might break. Milo! Come on! Okay, I can't go any further than this. That'll be too deep. Oh, let's go anyway. Oh. What time is it? I might want to hurry up. This is gonna take a bit. Oh, thank you. Thank you for cleaning my pants. Okay, Milo, you can stop now. Come on, let's get out of here. Let's go inside. Alright. I'm gonna end the video here.
And that was what I was doing during one of the worst snow blizzards in decades. And everyone was losing their cars. Yeah.